Hello, my name is Vivian from the Paper Letter Box from the Paper Letter Blog. Today we're doing something I'm always very excited about, and that is opening the Papergang box. Okay, so I already filmed 2 videos today, namely PO box opening part 1 and part 2. My ability to speak has been influenced by speaking to a camera for so long already. I also want to say, like I said, I already filmed 2 videos, so I am repeating myself, but I most likely forgot my medication yesterday. I take antidepressants for my anxiety, nothing serious, nothing scary, it's just something I've been taking for years. But what happens if I forget to take them is I get very sick. I feel very dizzy, I feel horrible. So I feel horrible right now, and I think that it is most likely caused by me forgetting my medication. So please bear with me as my ability to speak might not be great. But first of all, picking out a tea, I am going to pick out something I really like. Or should I try, wait, I'm going to try something weird. Oh wait, this is actually a, something you have to dissolve in water. This is Korean Red Ginseng Tea. I think I got this with the note saying this tea is very weird. Oh my god, it's fizzling. What have I done? I think there was a note saying this tea is very weird, and also the directions say you may add honey or sweetening to make a good taste if desired. So they're basically saying it doesn't taste good, so you might want to add some honey. Okay, this is going to be interesting, but I know that ginseng is supposed to be very healthy, so hopefully it'll help me feel better. Okay, I'm going to open the Papergang box. As you can see, I have not opened it yet. I always do that live on camera. I'm really excited. I found this one in my mailbox on Monday, and what I really like about it is that yesterday was my birthday and it looks a little bit like confetti, so it feels a little bit like a birthday theme. So I really like this. This was the preview. I immediately decided I wanted to get this month's Papergang box because it just, I don't know, this just excites me. I don't know what the name of the theme is, but I can see on the back that there are some bookmarks, and this one says I can do this, so it feels a little bit like, I don't know, maybe like a positive, like a self-care box again, which would be really cool. I always really like that. So I'm going to open this. Before I do want to point out once again that I do not get sponsored by the Papergang box. I buy this with my own money. Well, actually I don't, because I have a referral link. I will put the link in the description box down below. If you use my referral link when you order a Papergang box, I get credit. When I think 2 of you use my referral link, I get 1 box for free. I only have to pay for shipping, so it would be really grateful if you guys would use my referral link, as it helps me make these videos. So I didn't pay for this month's box as I got it for free because of the referral links, but I did pay for shipping myself, and I am in no way affiliated with the Papergang box. Oh my gosh, first of all, I absolutely love this salmon-y color wrapping paper, and I'm so excited. I'm going to try and keep it upside down so that I can keep it a surprise and open it with you guys one by one. Oh my god! Okay, I'm completely spoiling the content. Despite what I just said, I'm going to put it back. I'm going to look at it one by one, Vivian. Okay, first of all, I love the colors, absolutely love the colors. I'm already so excited. Okay, like I said, this video is not sponsored. All opinions are my own, but I absolutely love this notebook. First of all, the feel is really nice. I always like a sturdy notebook, although the corners will probably get damaged quite easily, but the feel is really nice and kind of luxurious. I love the colors. I do not love that this is kind of sad that the label is printed on there, so you cannot take it off. So that does take away a little bit of the sleek design, but other than that, absolutely love it. I also love that it is a simple, oh wait, Oh, I did not know this yet, but it's actually a simple notebook because lately we've been getting a lot of planner notebooks or to-do list notebooks, and I just don't have use for them. But this is just a normal lined notebook with a blank back, so that is something new, but it is good because I can use it for lists or I can use it for non-planner purposes. But the back is blank, which is new. Next thing I noticed as I flip through it is that the pages are very thin, so probably it won't be nice. Probably if I use it with a fountain pen it might bleed. But other than that, so that's probably why the pages are only one-sided, because if you write on both sides it may bleed a little bit. But other than that, I absolutely really love this notebook. I love the design, I love the sturdiness, I love the feel. I also don't even really mind that the pages are so thin. It'll be a really good notebook for taking notes or for making lists or for simply putting in my cabinet because it looks so pretty. I'm absolutely in love with this. So far really good. Then okay, I'm just going to take the pens because I've seen them already anyways. We have 3 pens, again these beautiful colors, and a pink one. Is this? They have little faces on them. We have little faces, a winky, smiley, and a grinning one. And I wonder what this is. This on the top. It feels almost maybe. Oh! Okay, I did not see this coming. I thought they were pens, but they're actually markers. If I were a student, I would absolutely love this. But I have to admit that I received a lot of markers from Stabilo. They basically sent me a press package and I received a lot of markers from Stabilo. So I might not have use for these personally, but if I wasn't me, if I was a regular student, I would probably really love these. Let me just do a quick swatch. Oh, these are actually nicer than the Stabilo ones, because the Stabilo ones, look, you can see here that if you stop the line, you get a little bit of a like a little bit of a build-up, but it's actually not as bad as the Stabilo ones. So if you were to like use them in your planner, it actually looks quite nice. If you make an abrupt stop, you will get that build-up, but if you kind of lift it off the page, it's not actually that bad in comparison to the Stabilo ones. The Stabilo ones have this ×5 probably. If you have the Stabilo ones, you will probably know what I mean. And I'm really curious about this top, because look, you can actually erase it. I don't know if you're meant to do this. I will have to read in the booklet, but that's why I was wondering what the cap was, because it's a really oddly specific cap and it looks like you can actually erase it. I really hope that you're meant to do this and that I'm not just ruining the page, but it's actually erasable. See? Just figuring it out as I go. I could also read the booklet, but I'm gonna do that at the end. In the beginning, I was actually a little bit sad because I already have so many markers, but I might actually replace my current markers with these because they're also erasable. I'm really excited now. Okay, so we have a marker that I'm also really excited about. Then we have this, yay, the monthly overview card. It's actually a blank one this month. So you could write, let's say, March on here and then put the day. Put your own, like for example, let's say March the 1st is actually on a Friday because we are getting keys to our new house, so I know that by heart. So I would write Friday, Saturday, Sunday, but that's a little bit annoying. But it's basically a blank monthly card, which I quite like. I am so excited by this box. We have some really cute sticky notes with, again, the face design on this. It has a lot of very simple designs, but all of them have a face and I quite like it. It's really simple, but I could see myself use this for mail or just a simple sticky note. I'm actually really excited about this. So that, and then we also, I see some really beautiful stickers. First thing that comes to my mind when I see this is, thank you Papergang, thank you oh dear for not wrapping this in plastic. Am I the only one? because usually there's like a plastic envelope around this, which is good for protection, but this, as you can see, it arrived totally intact, so I'm actually quite excited that I didn't wrap it in plastic. And then let me take this out, and then we have all of these, they're for the same sheets, which is usually with Papergang. I'm not sad about that, but basically you have all of these different shapes. We have hearts, we have boxes, we have these zigzag ones and circles and smiley faces and triangles. I'm also really excited about that. So this matches the theme really, really well. This is exactly actually what I thought the theme would be. If you look at the box, it's basically the box but then in a more neatly placed order. So this is exactly what I thought would be in this box, and I don't even have to say this anymore, but I am so excited about this this month. I know for some of you this might actually be a little bit boring, but I am beyond excited. So now we have the booklet. I'm going to read the prices to you and see what else is in there, but I'm first going to try this very interesting tea, which smells like soup. Ooh! I don't know how I feel about this. The smell is actually so off-putting. The tea itself is not that bad, but the smell is what makes it bad. The tea itself is a little bit sweet, but it smells savory, which makes it not nice. I don't know. I've had ginseng tea before because my dad always used to bring it from his business trips, but it's not as bad as I thought it would be, but I'm not a big fan either. Okay, so the contents. As always, the prices are in pounds. I myself use euros, so even if I have a statement about it, it doesn't necessarily have to be very accurate because I don't work with pounds. And these are all the recommended retail prices. So first of all, we have the A5 Perfect Bound Notebook, printed in the UK. Recommended retail price £8.95. Then we have the Triangle Sticky Notes, £3.50. The sticker pack, £3.95. And 3 times the Happy Highlighters, £4.95. It doesn't actually say anything about them being erasable, so I don't know if them being erasable was just a lucky coincidence or if I damaged the paper, but look, you can actually erase them, so I don't know. I really think that this is supposed to be an eraser. Then we have a little story about this one's creative designer, Jade Walsh. Spread the happy vibes. They have a box, and yeah, this is what I always say. Want a free Papergang box? All you need to do is refer to friends. And then it doesn't say anything about the erasable markers, but I'm just going to assume that they are indeed designed that way. So okay, yeah, that is actually this month's Papergang. Oops, I should have let that dry a little bit longer. That is actually this month's Papergang box. I'm very enthusiastically erasing the marker the whole time. I've never actually had erasable pens before, so yeah, as you can see, this actually very much excites me. But let me know in the comments down below, which is your favorite item? Did you like this box? Did you get this box? Did you hate this box, or would you have liked anything to be different? I'm always really enthusiastic to hear. Yeah, I'm always really excited to hear what you guys think. It's always so funny to me how a box I love can be hated by someone else, or vice versa. Sometimes there are boxes that I don't like and then I get the most positive comments. This just proves to me that we are all different, and yeah, we all have a different taste. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of those. I also have the Pipsticks pack coming in hopefully very soon, so don't forget to check back regularly if you want to see that as well. And I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!